13.b2.d2 jam error in tray 2. Open the right door. Gently remove any jammed paper. Close the right door to clear the control panel message. Open tray 2. Remove the paper from the tray. Make sure that the tray width and length guides are set to the correct paper size. Do not overfill. Close tray 2. Open the right door to access the rollers. Locate and remove the tray 2 separation roller. Clean the rollers with a dampened lint-free cloth. Reinstall the roller assemblies and close the right door. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.